Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair or change the turn signal, otherwise called side mirror, of a Mercedes-Benz W203 ranging from year 2000 to 2007. So this is how you can do it. This is a 41. See all those wires.
They don't work this themselves.
Eh?
See,
Yeah.
the house don't break. See, they don't work.
And we are going to show you how you can remove it and then replace it, and also have a look into the mechanism and repair and make things proper changes so that you can now turn it into a new one with a bulb in. This is the new one with a lighting inside. That's how the professional does the job. Kindly sit back and watch this, and how we can easily change and repair the side mirror of a Mercedes-Benz in this video. Thank you. See, one time, nothing just come out. You see, this is the old one, which is just being removed after removing the screws, and then you see the damaged cover of the lamp. Now let's now see. Also, what we are replacing is this shell. So this is the mirror being removed from here. The mirror being removed. See that? See? Yeah, this is how professional does the job. Now, the technical aspect of it, the technical aspect, you have to put it inside. The indicator inside it. That's it. Just to attach it to this. Immediately, the indicator, what's it called? That is inserted. You see it working. Okay, that's fine. So that's professional work. You can see. That means that shell is working. That top is working. The fan is working. So the aspect is now to make sure the entire body, inner body can be adjusted, and those things that we use to tackle it needs to be removed in order to put the new one there. Pliers needed to untie all those things they use to improvise the connection attachments. So we need to dismantle those ones. That's one part of it, because somebody must have used that to attach it, so it has to be removed. So you now need to remove the whole this mechanism here, the engine of the trafficator. So you need to remove that and the gates, because there's a need for us to remove this shell, this skeleton, this shell, because it's damaged here, so it needs to be removed. And that's wise, but we are going to retain this very engine for the trafficate the lights. Here we have the expert professionals into Benz doing the job right now. So this is the one, this this particular skeleton is one they have to put back, remove the old one. So these are the mechanism as it works. You remove that spring carefully, that's how they do it, and then just keep following as it goes, as you read it. There's a particular string that they use to connect. So these are the tools that may be needed, including pliers and other things that you may need to have to do that. So now, after changing that mechanism, put it back. Now, the new light is now back on. Thank you very much. So you can always contact Uche Bomber at Okebola Sharp Corner, Mercedes, workshop, Benz workshop in Okebola. So easy. If you want to do your bumper work, if you want to do a touch up of this side of the car, this is an expert, Dr. Uche Bomber in Okebola, Ibadan. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And if the fates should bless us with a moment of reprieve, we all could stand together in the silence and just breathe. Rejoice for all the happiness, mourn for all the grief. It's all that